Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Nice easy pasta on the go here today. Tuna, cream, bit of parmesan in there, some beautiful herbs, bell peppers. It is delicious. It's super easy. Great for a kind of midweeker if you like. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So as simple as can be, let's take a look at what we have. Pasta of choice, up to you, whatever you want to use. I'm using this rigatoni type pasta. Get that cooked and ready. We're going to concentrate on the sauce. Bell peppers, a few different colours in there. Onion, probably equal parts. Tuna, canned tuna. I've got kind of 2 cans of tuna. You know, that kind of regular old-fashioned type can. Parmesan cheese, I'm going to grate some of that in there. Cream. Now, I've got 250 mLs of cream. This is a thick cream. It will not make any difference if you use thick cream or thin cream. Spices, I've got 2 teaspoons of oregano and 1 teaspoon of tarragon, tablespoon of garlic, and about a tablespoon or 2 of cream cheese, like a Philadelphia cheese. We're going to start us off with some oil, a bit of salt and pepper, that's about it. Okay, so I've got my pan here, got some olive oil in there. You can use a different oil if you want. I'm going to drop in our onion and our garlic. We're on a high heat. I'll see you in 3 minutes. Beautiful, simple as can be. Let's now drop in our bell peppers. And if you wanted, you could, change the bell peppers and maybe put mushrooms in or something different. We're going to add those 2 herbs, tarragon and oregano. And again, you could be changing that to basil or something. Black pepper. Some salt. See you in 2 minutes. Keep it moving. Looking great. Let's drop in our tuna, canned tuna. And just 2 more minutes, throwing this around. High heat is still on. We're really nearly done. It's so easy, this one. Okay, so that's just enough time to get the tuna on the go. Right, we're going to add the cream. 250 mLs of cream. I'm using thick. It will make no difference whatsoever if you use thick or thin cream. We're going to drop in that cream cheese, like the Philly cheese. Grated parmesan, not too much. Stay on the high heat, keep it moving all the time now. 2 to 3 minutes. All we've got to do now is get our pasta in there. And there we go. Pasta of choice. Drop it in. Again, staying on the high heat, moving it all the time. 2 to 3 minutes. Let's get some heat through that pasta because it's cold now. And also want to get some of that lovely creamy sauce in, on and around my pasta. I'll see you at the table. We're done. Beautiful. Super creamy, super tasty, and super easy. There you go. Nice creamy tuna pasta with some bell peppers. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Thumbs up always helps us out a lot. Check out all the social media. The links are below. Say hello. We like to hear from you. Lots of love to you.